Alright, so TikTok ads, are they useful? Will you waste your money? Are they good for running ads? Is it the next Facebook? I don't know, man. But what I can tell you is TikTok ads are insane, yeah? Put a few $100 into it, maybe like $10, $30 a day for each ad set. Well, just watch the results, yeah? Also, it really does depend on your video ad, or how you make the video ad, how you edit it and all that. But just keep it simple, man. Post TikToks, don't post ads. But anyway, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna show you guys how to pretty much make TikTok ads, how I did it, how I was able to run it successfully, and how I was able to make around I think it was 40 conversions in like, I think it was 2, 3, maybe 4 days. I'm not quite sure, but yep, let's go. I'm gonna run through the whole process step by step, literally starting from the very start to going to the very end, and pretty much showing you guys around the TikTok Ads Manager account, what it is, how it works, and a lot of that stuff, the good stuff, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, also a quick disclaimer, if you guys do not have the actual product in hand, then like the product that you're going to be selling, I would highly recommend you guys go straight to your supplier and order one for yourself right now, because you cannot be posting these videos from other people that you find. Like for example, you can't get ads like from, what do they call it, VidIQ or Ecomvid, something like that. You can't make ads, okay? You gotta have the product in hand. You gotta make it like a TikTok, pretty much. Alright, simple. It's as simple as that. Just make it like a TikTok. So you need a product to be able to do that. And not only that, this isn't Facebook, so there's a lot of differences. But it could be. It's like Facebook back in 2013. That's how powerful this is right now. Like, that's how crazy the ads are. If you just put a few dollars into it, you'll be expecting some pretty good returns. But let's get on with the video. Let's go. Alright, so literally starting from the very start, as I said, the very beginning, you guys need an email account. So I made a little test account, just a little test. What we want to do is go to Google, search up TikTok Ads Manager, and then we want to click on this one right here, ads.tiktok.com. I think I already clicked it here, but yeah, so just it's the same thing. We want to go, if you guys don't have an email, if you guys don't already have an account, what you want to do is go ahead and press sign up now, because for this video's sake, I don't have an account, but realistically I do. But anyway, put your email in here and then make a password for it, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna go, okay, and now we're gonna wait for a verification code. So we just go send code. We're gonna make sure we agree with that, then go back to your email and you should get the verification code. Copy that and go back to here, I think it was, yep, there. So we're gonna close that tab, paste it into there, and then sign up, and you should be all good from there. Alright, so from here, just put in the information, fill out the information that's required over here. Alright, so once you're done with that, you should be all good. So alright, so let me just go. This is like my one that I was running. I told you I haven't run it for like a few days now. In my last video I did mention that, but lifetime will pretty much go. I started running it, I think, about a few days after I made that video about like the dropshipping challenge. But yeah, you see how the blue is higher than the darker blue, sorry. So how the, I guess this color is like above this color, that's good, that's what we want, yeah. But I'm gonna show you guys how to get that, because you guys probably don't have that on your screen. Obviously over here I was really messed up because I ran into a problem. One of my ads stopped running, and then I had to stop running the ads for a day, and then when I started again, it just completely messed up the whole algorithm. But yeah, anyway, what you want to do from here is pretty much go create an ad. Alright, so as you can see, this will all be empty for you guys. So what you want to do is create an ad, and you also want to add some money into your balance so you can actually I guess publish the ad. So what you want to do is go to total spends, and here, and you'll see payments. Sorry, let me move. Okay, payments, click on that, add some funds to your account. Preferably $100 to $300 would be good. But what you want to do from there is go ahead and press create an ad. Then what we're aiming for is conversions. We are not aiming for any traffic, so this is going to pop up a lot when you're making ads. So just go start over whenever it comes up. Press on conversions, and then campaign name, just put your actual product name. We're going to put Scented Cloud, because you guys know that's the item that I was selling for a while. And I currently am selling as well, Scented Cloud. I guess, yeah, we're just going to go with that for now. No limit, keep this the same way that it is. It should be all like that on default, for default. But yeah, ad name, we're going to leave that just for now. We're going to come back to that in a second. What you want to do is go ahead and click on TikTok Pixel. Now they will give you a pixel so you guys can integrate into your Shopify store. Now what you want to do is go ahead and download TikTok as an add-on or a plugin, whatever you want to call it, on Shopify, and then from there just insert the pixels and all that. But yeah, it's pretty simple. So what you want to do is just click on active pixel and then click on the optimized event. So whatever you want, we're gonna go with complete payment. That's what we always go for, and that's what we're gonna always be going for as well. So after that, we want to go select placement. We're not going to be going automatic placement, because if you do that, it's going to be going to all these 3 places, which we just don't want, because we only want TikTok and not these 2. We want our money to be spent, I guess, usefully, you know? We don't want it to be divided into 3 different things. I don't even know what these 2 are. I've never heard of them in my life. So user comment, obviously we got to turn that off, but video download, yes, just in case someone wants to share the video with their cousins, with their family, with their members, or whoever they want to share it with, alright? Just in case I want to share with someone, and they might end up converting, you never know. But video download on, user comment off, because if you keep that on and it looks like a dropshipping product and a lot of people are running ads about it, you'll get a lot of comments about it's a dropshipping product, don't buy from them, you can get it from Alibaba, you can get it from AliExpress. Just keep the comments off, you know. Audience, we're gonna leave this optional. Location, target your actual location. So if you're based in US, put United States. If you're shipping worldwide, then I don't really recommend going worldwide. I recommend sticking to one country. And if you're going to be going different countries as well, I reckon you make a whole different ad set. So what we're doing right now, this is an ad set. So this is the first ad set we're going to make. If you want to target different countries, you go make a different ad set, and then you target that country specifically. You don't target a whole bunch of countries in one, because this way you won't really be able to tell which ad is doing the best. Which location, is doing the best. So obviously we're going to be on Australia, because I am based in Australia. Then we're going to be going no limit on male or female, and then no limit on the age. But if you guys do want to go limits, for example, again, you got to make multiple ad sets, and this is for the people that don't have too much money to spend. Ad interest, you're going to leave that, you're going to leave that, you're going to leave that. You're going to come down. Now, this is really important. Your budget, you got to set it at least, the minimum is $20. So it's not like Facebook where you can set like $5 budgets. You got to spend at least $20. What I recommend is to go at least $25 to stand out from like all these other small businesses that are doing $20. And then we're going to go untick to run continuously, and then select the amount of days you want to run it for. So for example, let's say we're going to be running it for, it's currently the 15th. Let's say we're going to run from the 16th all the way to, I guess, I don't know, the 20th. Now, sometimes you guys want to be really careful with this, because as you can see, it automatically changes the month. So we see here it was September, and I didn't even change it, but it automatically went to October, and this has happened to me a lot. So if I like forget about the ads and all that, and just continuously the ones that keeps running, that's a lot of money out of my pocket. But again, you got to make sure you have sufficient funds for that. But yeah, again, we're going to start from 16th, we'll go to the 20th. That's what we're doing. For example, we are not gonna run all day. All right, so what you want to do, the best times for engagement, to get engagement, is between the times of 12 to, hold up, let me just do that again. You just want to click and then drag it to this spot right there. 12 to 1 is what I usually go with. 12 to midnight, pretty much. Did I miss something? Yep. Is there another one? No, okay, because I can't really see because it's pretty bright right now. But yeah, and then you want to just complete that one as well. Yep, so 12 to 1, so pretty much is what you're going with. It's got to look something like this. Wait, no, sorry, my bad. Oh, my bad. It's 6 to 12, 6 to 1. So 6 to midnight pretty much is what we're going to be going for. And then what we're going to do, alright, so that was completely my bad. I completely forgot for a sec. But yeah, optimize goal, conversions, we're not going to be going clicks. Cost cap, if that's up to you. If you guys want to go cost cap, it's going to cost you a lot more money, a little bit more money as well. Sorry for the mumbling. But yeah, so if you, for example, if you're going to be going with like $50 budget, here you're going to be putting like for the cost cap, you're going to be putting like $25. All right, but for now, obviously we're on a budget, so we're going to be going lowest cost, and then we're going to be going back up, and then you know how I said we're going to come back to the ad name. So what we're going to do is, for example, we're targeting AU. It's no limit for anything pretty much, and it's a complete payment, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all we're going to do for that. Keep it simple, easy, and then we're going to go next. Now, what we're going to do for creative, we're going to leave the name. We're just going to get rid of that as well, and then get rid of that, but we're going to leave the name. All right, so what we're going to do, as I said at the start of the video, you guys have to make sure you have your own actual video products and make your own video ads. So don't make ads, make TikToks. Pretty much just make a TikTok account. What I recommend, go and make a TikTok account, post a whole bunch of TikToks, whichever one you like the most and whichever one you does the best as well. Just copy that TikTok, go to a certain website. I can't remember the name of the website right now. Let me see if I can get it real quick. Alright, so if you guys want to repost your ads, your TikToks, and you want to get rid of the watermark so it looks nice, professional, and clean when you're running your ads, You want to go snaptik.com, TikTok downloader, download TikTok without any watermarks. So what you want to do is just go here, paste the URL, download it, and then come back here and upload the video there. You will have your actual TikTok without any watermarks. And yeah, display name, put the actual name of your brand. So Scented Cloud is what it's going to be for me. And don't put spaces. Spaces look weird. Alright, it looks really weird. But yeah. And then insert a description, something catchy, something nice, like for example 50% off or something like that, you know, 50% off for a limited time. But I don't recommend you go like too, I guess, sketchy, because a lot of people do 50% off, limited time shipping, limited time sale, free shipping and all that. Free shipping, 50% off is all good, but limited time sale, stuff like that, people nowadays are getting used to seeing that stuff. Just be unique, you know, just be unique. And then yeah, add your video in, add the description in, pretty much that's the description. Yeah, the description goes there. And then smart text, leave that. We want to go learn more. Usually I like to go with shop now and interested, whereas interested, I like to go with these two, interested and shop now. So this pretty much right here is interested, and again shop now right there as well. And as you can see, it is also recommended. So then what you want to do, once you make your store, your product page link, you want to go here and then just select that, put it there. So once you click shop now, they'll be redirected to that page. And then again, for your profile picture, just insert your profile picture there, and it will change that up as well, because if you don't change your profile picture, it's gonna look hella weird. But yeah, do that. Make sure you put your actual branding logo there. And yeah, and then you want to go read this. If you are actually authorized to represent the company, which I think most of you are, just click that, and then you are all done, my friends. Just change the name up here to whatever the ad is. For example, it could be an ad with I don't know, it could be ad creative 1, and then just put the song name or something like that, you know, whatever. It's up to you guys. And then just click submit. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you learned something from that as well, because I don't like it when you guys come here, sit down and watch this whole ass video and don't learn anything. That's pretty much just wasting your time. So if you guys did learn anything, if you guys learned anything new as well, just go implement it. Go start, you know, just stop. I don't know what it is. Stop. I think the word I'm looking for is contemplating. I don't know. Maybe not. I'm pretty tired right now. But yeah, I slept pretty late last night. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, get to work. I'll see you guys next one. Take care. Love you all. Peace.